why did I waste my money and time for this? Now I feel like, I don't know what has been going on, but now I feel like now it's kind of like flipped. Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. So today I have some Popeyes fried chicken. I got 8 pieces with the large side, and I have it hooked to their Cajun fried rice. Cajun rice. Oh, I didn't know this was already mixed. Is it the Cajun rice or the beans? This is the Cajun rice. And then instead of coleslaw, I have some kimchi. And I did get the spicy chicken, and I have 4 biscuits. These look burnt. I have some hot sauce and my bubbly. I'll try the biscuits first. Nothing much. I should have gave some to my mom yesterday. Oh, is this new? No, it's not. My mom tried the kimchi. I told her like, hey, like I tried and it came out so sweet. And she's like, yeah, I'll try it later. And she tried it. She's like, oh, it's not bad. I mean, it's a little sweet, but it's fine. So I was like, oh, yay. I don't have to throw it out. There you go. Some hot sauce. I don't remember if it was end of high school years or like a little bit into college, but I remember having Popeyes every week, and my dad loves them, and we always got coupons, and we would just always have Popeyes at home. And I always loved a day old Popeyes. Try the Cajun fried rice. I don't know why I keep saying fried rice. This is pretty good, but I think I meant to do the beans. Mr. Beans. So I actually found this one great studio. Oh my gosh, it was so ideal for me. It was so close to Tong's work. We could utilize it for so many different things. So I scheduled a tour, and I applied, but apparently when I applied, like I think even before I applied, somebody already had a application pending and they're apparently ready to move in. So why wasn't I aware that somebody already applied for this place? Then I obviously wouldn't have even bothered. Why was I even at this tour? So that was like kind of really unfortunate and kind of a waste of my time, but it was such a perfect place. I was so looking forward to getting that location, but unfortunately it didn't happen. After more thought, Tong and I are actually considering just completely moving out. So I had like few locations to consider when I was looking for a studio, and it kind of changed a little bit the way they approach things now. Like before, even like 3 years ago, before when I contacted them, contact the realtor that I'm interested in this place, seriously, like no hesitant, on a heartbeat, they'll just show me the place and then like kind of go from there. But now I feel like I don't know what has been going on, but now I feel like now it's kind of like flipped. So like before they do the tour or the showing, they would ask me, like they would make sure that I'm even qualified, which wasn't like that before. They would just show us a place and then like, okay, do you want to apply? Okay, let's see if you qualify. It was like that. I guess they've been wasting their time, on their end. Maybe like they, spend hours showing places, but a lot of people end up not being qualified. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, but all the places that I reached out to, they've been doing that to me. I'm just like, oh, this is different. Me being such a impatient person, I just want to get this figured out as soon as I can, but it's out of my control, and anything out of my control, there's really no, it's really not worth worrying about, but it's easier said than done, right? So the person that showed me the studio that I really wanted, that person was not only 10 minutes late to our showing time, that person had no idea about this unit. And later I found out that it was his first showing ever, which made sense. He seemed like he was a little nervous, he was stuttering a little bit, which is fine. I had a problem because he didn't know a single thing about this unit, and I understand, okay, this is your first showing, I understand you're nervous and you might like say a bunch of words so that I could apply and I would be interested in this place, right? But he didn't know a single thing about this unit. Did you even look over like what this place like offered? I was asking a bunch of questions because I've lived in so many different places. I went through this process so many times, so I know what questions to ask. I don't even have to prepare. Like I know things I have to ask because I've done it so many times, right? But then for him, like he doesn't have to answer me right away, or I don't expect that, but at least like be aware of some stuff. He didn't know a single thing that I asked him. Wow, like not professional at all, right? The tour could have ended in 10 minutes, but it lasted like 30 minutes because like he had to look for all these like answers to the questions. So that was kind of like, I was just like, whatever, it's okay, your first day, blah blah blah. I wanted to, I didn't care because I like, as soon as I walked in, I fell in love with that place. I'm like, I really want to play right away. There was like a, obviously, like I said, there was miscommunication, or I don't know, their system didn't update fast enough or something, but somebody already applied, which I didn't know. I wasn't informed at all, and they've been approved even before I applied. And I'm just like, why did I waste my money and time for this? So that was kind of annoying. Kind of bad experience, but I wonder if everyone's like that. Like they don't give a shit about like what apartment they're showing.